How to draw lines with animation. To begin, I added a video and a text to my timeline that I would like to add an animated line below the text. In the toolbar, select the pen tool. Click below your text, then hold down the Shift key and click on other side of your text to create a straight line. With your line selected, go to Effect Controls panel and expand the shape. Uncheck Fill property and check on Stroke. Can set a stroke width of 25. Go down a bit and make sure Uniform Scale is unchecked. Now place the playhead at the start and set Horizontal Scale to 0 and click on Stopwatch next to it to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead a little forward and set Horizontal Scale to 100 to create the second keyframe. Now we have this animated line. Increase distance between keyframes to make animation last longer. This line animates from left to right. If you want the animation to start from the center of the line, first click on the anchor point property. Then select the selection tool and move this small anchor point to the center of your line. Now we have this nice animated line. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.